what is tense? So today in this video, let me tell you. Tense is derived from a Latin word tempus, which means time or action. Tense is basically used to show the action of any time. First type of tense is infinite or simple tense, which means when any action is started or we don't know the action is happening at what time. Second type of tense, continuous tense or possessive tense. Basically, any action or work is working continuously. The work is in process. Third type of tense, perfect tense. In this tense, the work and action is completely done. So this tense is named as perfect tense. Fourth type of tense, perfect continuous tense. In this tense, any work or action is sometimes continuous and then at last and after some times it also perfectly done. So that's why this tense is named as perfect continuous tense. So for more updates, stay connected with Gyan Shiksha. Thank you.